Quick recap, there's my entire drawing back up. When I said method of joints, I obviously only drew that circle around one joint. You've only got about 5 minutes in the exam. To get something in the middle, better option, method of sections. I'm going to do exactly the same thing as I did before. I'm going to now draw a box around the bridge. What I don't want, I eliminate. Now once again, to get this point force 5, let's take moments about here. Point 8. Let's take moments about point 8. Or we could just sum the horizontal and vertical forces to get force 5. Let's take moments about point 8. Moments about point 8 going that way equal moments about point 8 going that way. Force 4 doesn't matter because it's pushing straight on it. Force 3 doesn't matter. So force 5 does. That's going equals 1.732 metres times force 5 plus 50 times 1.732, and we're taking moments about here plus 84.4 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 0. There's no anti-clockwise moments being produced about there with my drawings. Clockwise, clockwise, clockwise. So automatically I know I've got my sense wrong, but I'll just keep on doing the maths. Force 5 is minus 50 times 1.732 is, because my brain's dead, 86.6 plus double that's 168.8 divided by 1.732 equals whatever my calculator says that is. 147. I said it was going to the left, it's actually pushing. So it's going that way. And there's our answers. There's our complete and total method of joints. Done. And just confirming, you might have popped, I was a little bit hesitant at the tail end of that. Reason being is I knew that F5 must be pushing in because I calculated its direction up there, which it certainly is. F5, because I had that joint 7 there that threw me, I've rubbed it out. I followed my own advice and rubbed it out, got rid of it. And now I know that F5 must be pushing in.